Welcome to this lecture. It is extra tip which I want to give you. The tip is simple, and you can earn $100 from this. This is also a Fiverr program. So you can come here, and from this menu you can click refer and get up to $100. So when you click this, the new page will be open. So this is the page. You can see here, invite friends and you both get up to $100. So here is two options. One option is this: you can invite by email your friends, or you can invite your friends by this Fiverr link. Okay, when you want to invite your friend by email, so you put their emails here with the commas. Want to send email to your friends, so you can type 10-20 emails here with the commas, separated by commas, and then click send button. So sign up on Fiverr through your email and edit the first project. So you if they sign up through your email so they will get, you both will get, your friend and you get $100. The second option is you can copy this link, as you see copied, and you can share it on your social media via Facebook or Twitter. And you can, if you someone sign up or someone create account on Fiverr, so you will get $100. So this is extra tip. Okay, thank you. See you in next lecture. Okay.